Hey, so here we have tips and tricks for the camera on the Samsung Galaxy A07. And the first one, it will be definitely about the 50 megapixel mode. So when you are in the photo mode, you have to click here. Now click on the 12M. And next to this, we can switch into this high resolution camera. So we have to hold our phone steady when we want to take a photo. Click on the focus button manually and make sure that you are going to hold your phone steady. Now just take this shutter button, click on it. And as you can see over here, we can actually find a lot of details on this photo. For example, some pieces of the dust. So if you want to catch a lot of details, the 50 megapixel mode is the way to go for this. Next, when you click on the settings icon and find that option, swipe shutter button too, we can take the series of the photo or we can create a GIF. So how it looks, take a look. We have to go back. Now we have to swipe down and hold and release. Now, when you open the gallery, you can just find that it was taken. But as you can see, for some reason, sometimes we can find those lags that we cannot actually enter for the camera. I didn't find any solution to fix this, but as you can see, we can create a GIF that will look like this, or you can simply go back into this settings and select to take series of the photo. So it's also called the burst shot. You have to swipe, hold, and just move your camera around you to catch everything that is interesting for you, that looks good. You have to click here. And now when you click here, you can just simply select all of those photos that you have taken that looks good, one by one, and you have to click on the save button. You can delete all the unselected pictures, for example, and that's basically how it looks. Now, when you go back into those settings, we can also find another useful option. It will be available in the shotting methods. So as you can see, we can basically, use the palm selfie, but it only works for the selfie camera. So you have to switch to the selfie camera. Now go into the settings, go for shotting methods. And here, as you can see, when we show the palm of our hand into the selfie camera, we should actually get this yellow frame, and it will turn on the countdown for video and the photo mode. So it will take the photo or start recording the video. If you want to change the look of your photo, you can click on this button and it will actually give you some different filters that you can quickly change, and pick this one that fits your preferences. There we go. And you can change the filter strength, for example, by moving this to the left and the right side. If you want to get back the natural look of your photo, you have to go with the original. Now, by going to the more modes, if you want to capture photos in the night time, then you can find dedicated night mode. But also we can find here the pro mode, where we can find all of those parameters that you can adjust manually. So when I'm going to click on the ISO, for example, and I'm not sure what it does, I can click on this information icon and I can find a short description. So thanks to those descriptions, you can basically get familiar with all of those parameters and set them like you want. And what is also really useful in this mode, that when we click here, we can even change some options like contrast, highlight, shadow, saturation, and tint. So it works a little bit like the filters, but you can just adjust them in the real time before you take the photo. Now, as you can see, when you go for the portrait photo mode, we can change the background blur. So here we can find the FX strength, but of course it only works when you got someone in front of you, so you can see the difference in the background. Also, when you take the photo and there is no good lighting condition, you can just click here on the screen and move the sun icon to the right or the left side to increase or decrease brightness. And also when you click on the screen like so, then it will automatically adjust that brightness. But as you can see, for example, in this part, it's not that good. So I should click here and even increase to get this better look of the photo. And if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can just switch between this like so with the 1, 2, 4 or 10. But you can also click and hold over here and you can expand with this slider, so you can do this much smoother. And this is all tips and tricks for the camera in the Samsung Galaxy A07.